Hello, Chief Users. I read this post, this one here, and I saw the responses and so forth. It's always great to see people help other people. And this is not an argument against what was suggested here, but rather just another method. I thought I would just I would demo that. Okay, I'm going to just go over here to these two walls and set them to full gable. My dialog ever opens. Okay, roof tab, full gable, and then build roofs. Not auto build, but just build. Excuse me. Next thing I'm going to do, you could probably do this automatically, but I'm kind of old school, so I tend to do things the way I originally learned them. I'm going to go over here to the roof tool and draw a roof plane, have it slant up that way. Oh, wait a minute, I'm screwing up. Okay. You put that down there. That'll be the return eventually. Now I'm going to take this and center it. Where's the centering tool? There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the roof tool and draw a roof plane there, one here. I'm assuming they're all coming in at the same plate height, but if it doesn't come out symmetrically, then I'll know that that's not true. Okay, now we're going to make these into polygons. Excuse me. I'm not saying that this is a better method or anything like that. It's just another method. Okay, join roofs. Uh-oh, that's an indication that there's some things off. Let me take a look. Boy, that roof pitch is wrong. Oh, wait a minute, that's right. I'm just arbitrarily using, excuse me. I wonder why they don't join. I don't know what pitches the poster was using. Well, okay, that's kind of a problem. Okay, well, he's got his ridge matching this ridge. Okay, that's what I missed. I'm going to open this roof plane and get the ridge value, whatever that is. Just copy it so I can apply it to these gable roof planes. Oh, I just noticed that I had a brain part. I'm doing this the hard way. So you can tell that this is completely extemporaneous. I'm to keep this symmetrical, I'm going to draw a CAD line where I want the base to be. Let's see, his base is down. Well, his base is that wall, so I don't need a CAD line for that. I'll just select this roof plane. I never claim to be perfect, but I am competent most of the time. Okay, move that out of the way. Same thing over here. Break it right down there at the wall. See, I want it just this side of this wall so that it automatically builds up, or this needs to be straight. I just now noticed it's not perpendicular. There we go. And then I want it right over up against the inside side of this wall. Same thing over here. Okay, let's go back. You can see where we are. I don't think we need this roof return. I'm going to delete it. I don't know why that isn't filled in yet, but oh yes, I do. Look at this picture again. Yeah, okay. His ridge doesn't match. I made another mistake. Well, let me finish what I was doing and then I'll do it right. Okay. It just dawned on me that I can't really do this correctly. That's okay. We'll put a break there and then pull this out. And another break. And I want to make sure that this is perpendicular. And we'll take this and join roofs. Didn't join. What the hell happened? Let me undo that. Unexpected behavior. Let's do that. Do this. Stupid software. See, I want to use a parallel tool on this roof plane. Yeah, there we go. So they match up. Well, that looks like the devil. Oh. Man, I'm having a bad intelligence day. I am sorry. No wonder it did that. Like I said, I'm having a bad day. So we will, in this failed attempt, I do need it overhanging that wall some. And then we'll put the manual return. Well, actually, I'll just open this and see if the automatic return works. Why not? Go to roof, auto return, full. That did not work, which is sometimes that automatic tool doesn't work. And so it behooves one to know how to do it manually. We'll just create the roof plane. And I need to get my main computer working again. This one sucks. It's a laptop. It does stupid crap like this sometimes. Come on, wake up. Oh, I've got a dialogue over here on my second monitor. Yeah, over the wall. Still kind of slow. All right, now I'm going to take this side and join it. This side and join it. And then roll it down there just outside the wall. Okay, that's one way to do it. It's in order to get his particular look, this one here, this is what I just did is not workable. I thought this ridge matched that ridge, and that's obviously incorrect. So I'm going to go back and we'll do away with that. And let's see. So I need to take this and get rid of that. Those, well, I got to use the tab key. Okay, that brings us back to just a gable with a return. Yeah, okay, so I want, this ridge is still at 192, and it looks like the target ridge in this image is about a couple of feet lower. So I'm going to take this roof plane here and copy it in place. Then take the copy, lock the pitch, and subtract 24 inches. Of course, we don't need this big thing over here. We'll make this into a triangle. Do the same thing over here. Copy it in place. Open the copy. Lock the pitch. If you don't lock the pitch, it'll change the pitch when you change any value up here in these three input boxes. So we'll go minus 24. We'll resize it. I'm going to take that, use the join roofs tool. Oh, what the hell. Oh, it didn't exactly do what I, well, this worked okay. All right. Take this and copy it. I'm just having a bad day. Move the whole thing to 18. I think that's, yeah, that's right. Okay, that's better. Then get the end of this roof plane, the big one. It's easier to separate them like that. Well, what the hell? I'm gonna get an attitude here. Oh, another brain part. Just not. We need a roof plane in there. I'm laughing at myself for being such a dummy today. Oh, what's the matter with this thing? Do what I tell you. Yeah, that's what I expected to happen. I guess I should shift F6 though. If I can find there we go. Now you can watch me as I fumble around. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Not that one. Okay, but it's easier to separate these so you can click on what you intend to click on. I'll move that back a little bit. Okay, now we can probably get a join, a clean join. And click on the right roof plane. There we go. Okay. Maybe this isn't a better method. This is another method. Okay, so I got this roof plane here. I need to fill it in there like that. We're almost there. Now I'm going to take this one and set it up for the some breaks in it. Yeah, that's kind of the general geometry I want. Then these inner line entities that I just made will connect with that on each side. Okay, we're almost there, finally. There it is. So all you have to do is do this return thing. And I don't think the automatic return will work. We've already tried that once before. I'll try it again. Why not? So roof, oh, auto returns, it didn't work. Okay. So these things have a habit of working after the fact, and then I'd have two returns there. So I'm gonna I'm gonna uncheck that. Now the way you get a return is pretty straightforward. We'll just take this roof plane, and like I did earlier in my earlier failed attempt. Oh, boy, I'm not having a good day. Okay, there's that. This will eventually become the return. And the roof tools are going to set these roof heights 99% of the time correctly when you draw them. They know how high to make themselves because of the ceiling setting in this adjacent room dialog box over here. And so they're going to be at about a 9-foot plate because that's what I have set. Just thought I'd mention that in passing. Okay, and the other end of the roof return. Just have to angle the sides there. So that's what it looks like in plan view and in a camera view. It's yeah, that came in. I think this came in cleaner than what the other fella did. You can see some lines here in the gutters are not showing here, but showing here. I don't, that might actually be the case, but in this model, I can just click on the return, open its dialog box, go to the gutters, and delete the gutter, and get the same, a little bit cleaner. Well, actually, the gutter's still coming in from this roof plane here, so we'll turn the gutter off in that as well. It's nice and smooth across the entire thing. You be the judge. I just thought I'd offer it as another method, and if it helps anybody, I haven't wasted my time. Thanks for watching.